I love their brand. I love their meaning, benefit everyone.
I understand that because they're benefiting everyone, every single decision that we make as a group is to continue bringing the best technology at that moment to you as physicians, as non-physician healthcare providers, and to our patients.
Our purpose and mission is to integrate non-invasive solutions to medical aesthetic providers for regenerations and beautifications. More simply, benefiting life in general.
BENEV has introduced something that started in South Korea to the United States, and just how much it's exploded across the region. We're talking about radio frequency microneedling, but we're talking about new technology.
Silphium X is the hottest device for non-invasive skin revitalization. It is the world's first and only FDA-registered pulse wave and continuous wave radio frequency device, featuring 300 micron depth, targeting both skin laxity and pigmentation for ultimate skin rejuvenation.
Radiofrequency microneedling involves taking small needles, usually an array of needles, and they deliver heat. That heat generates new collagen and new elastic tissue.
So it's the first device to offer both continuous and pulse wave in the same device.
People respond to this device like I've never seen. It's consistent. I've had zero complications. It's easy to train. It is the most, from a business standpoint, scalable piece of equipment I have got in my med spas.
It's easy to sell. When a client comes in and they hear no downtime, they hear faster recovery, more benefits.
So it's been an hour since my treatment and I'm pretty blown away with the results. There's no redness, I'm not inflamed, no pain. I'm so happy.
In conjunction with the Silphium X, we also use BENEV's exosomes and love those. They all work so well together, and really we feel so supported by BENEV.
BENEV exosomes represent the most cutting-edge scientific biotech breakthrough in skin and scalp rejuvenation. Backed by $80 million in R&D, over 73 worldwide patents, and 2.2 million clinical cases, it is the first US exosome brand with INCI and PCPC registration.
Exosomes are like bubbles, only they carry things inside. That's the way one cell tells another cell what to do. A cell will release exosomes, and that will signal other cells to do certain things.
An exosome could only be as good as the stem cell it came from. The lab in South Korea that makes the exosomes, the BENEV exosomes, is tops. Bar none, there's no better lab.
When I was introduced to the exosomes, I really looked at it very carefully and critically initially, and were able to diminish our invasive procedures in half and get our patients back functioning in half the time, and that's a home run in itself.
We applied the exosomes after surgery, and what it has done for us, it has really improved our results, increased the longevity of our results, and most importantly, we noticed that these patients are extremely satisfied.
The way they do it is through a filtration system, which gets out more impurities than, say, a centrifugation system. And so they are really very scientific. They're very purist. They have a really high level of standards to meet. And I think we're really only scratching the surface of what exosomes can do.
I came to Dr. Duncan a couple of years ago, tried to slow down the aging process a little bit. It's made me feel a lot more comfortable in my skin. My pores around my nose and everything aren't so craterish. Really surprised with the results and really excited to try it again to see how far it goes this time.
I had no idea that exosomes even existed, so I am super grateful that I've discovered this, and I don't have any downtime. I can live my life the way I do and still get those benefits.
BENEV is a US FDA-registered company that has been a disruptor in medical and aesthetics for over 25 years, bringing the most innovative, scientifically advanced, result-driven products and devices in the industry.
Most recently, we brought the SmartLux, and this too has made a huge impact in our practice as an adjunct to many of our other procedures, as well as something that's a nice offering for our patients getting facials, our patients for hair restoration, our patients for post-procedure care, across the board. Like, we're leveraging this product in a lot of different ways.
SmartLux Mini is an FDA-registered phototherapy device that promotes healthy, rejuvenated skin. SmartLux Mini adopts medical superluminous diodes, unlike other devices, to generate high-intensity light for better clinical benefits.
Most times when you're talking about an LED light, you're worried about the temperature getting too high. When you use the red light on here, you can use it in a pulse fashion so you don't get increase in that temperature.
Viviscale Pro has been backed by numerous studies and over 25 years of research. Not many hair supplements out there can say that and show that their efficacy really is to that extent.
The Viviscale Pro is actually, I've been using it for many years, and it's my favorite hair supplement. I find that it works better than most of the others, and it really does enhance patient outcomes when we do hair treatments, maintaining hair, helping them with post-COVID hair loss, weight loss, hair loss. There's so many different ways that we're using it in our practice.
Xtherma is the world's first and only FDA-registered device combining high-frequency RF with cryogen. This dual-mode system delivers hot and cold sensations for precise contouring and skin rejuvenation with comfort built in.
I think the biggest difference with the BENEV products for me is that it's full circle. Initially, you had asked me what my favorite product was, and it was difficult for me to choose because I really do believe in the company. I believe in the product that I'm using. They're extremely well researched, and they really work.
I can only see our relationship continuing to grow and using more and more of these products in innovative ways in my practice.
This is a company really committed to science.
They're at the forefront of the aesthetic industry.
I really love just the outcomes.
The quality is really superior. They're really the workhorse of my practice. It's just a no-brainer for all patients. It's really changed my patients' lives.
I've seen some of the best results.
I'm not just saying my opinion, there is always research behind it.
I feel like they're far superior. People really notice the results right away.
I feel very, very humbled and privileged and honored to be a part of BENEV and use BENEV products.
With a legacy of excellence and a dedication to pushing boundaries, BENEV is redefining the aesthetics industry by benefiting everyone. BENEV, global partner in medical aesthetics.